All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at Highland Homes right here in the Woodland Hills. So just for reference, I filmed that one a few days ago, and that's the most popular one on this channel. One's by Ravenna Homes and one's by Weston Homes, but this is by Highlands. And the reason why I wanted to bring this to the channel is because this is the definition of luxury, without a doubt. So you're going to have the brick on top with the stone going into the covered front porch. You're going to have this beautiful, elegant double doors right here, and we'll go right into the foyer. So what you're going to notice in the foyer, you're going to have your stainless steel chandeliers. You're going to have two of those. And what we'll do is we'll start right here to the right, so that way you can see the beautiful study. So now you are going to have the high ceilings inside of here. The model is going to be for sale sometime this year. There's no exact time frame, but stay tuned if this catches your eye and you really want everything that's in here as far as the upgrades are concerned. So you're going to have your double French doors right here. You just have an enormous amount of space. I mean, if you can even imagine a counselor being in here, this is how much space you have right here. You got your built-in shelving right there as well. And let's go ahead and continue this way. We'll go right across the way, and I'll make sure to open every single door that is unlocked, so that way you can see we got a coat closet right here. And then right here to the left, you're going to have your powdered bath. So if you notice, you have your nice accent wall with the window right here. You got your stainless steel mirror framing around here with your lighting fixtures as well. And then we'll go to the first bedroom, so that way you can see what we're working with. So you do have your high ceilings inside of here. You got your nice size, queen size bed with the two nightstands, and you definitely have plenty of room. Now, the Highland homes that I have showcased on this channel, if you've noticed, they have some interesting decor. They usually have the color tones that may turn folks off. It really, I mean, either you hate it or you love it. There's no in between. But in here, they gave it more of that luxury vibe, because they know that this has luxury upgrades. They want to showcase this in the proper manner. And I love what they've done so far with the furniture. So right here to the right, you would have your garage that would be converted, and then you would have the mud room right here. And now this would be your utility room. So you have a decent amount of space. You got your upgraded cabinetry right there for storage. And this is going to be your beautiful media room. So you definitely have the high ceilings in here with the LED ceiling fan. And if you notice, you have plenty of space in here. I love that they put carpet inside of here. Gives it more of that cozy feel. And I'll pan right here so you can see how we're looking. So you definitely have plenty of space. You wanted to add the theater-like seats right here, or if you wanted to just keep the, the sofa, you're definitely good to go. And also, even if you wanted to put a projector in there, you would definitely have plenty of space. So right here is going to be the beautiful kitchen. You have your stacked cabinets on top with your stainless steel range hood with the oversized island. You have quartz countertops inside of here. You have your candlelight, the lighting fixture coming down over the oversized island as well. You have soft closing cabinets in here. You have your double oven right here as well, stainless steel. And this will be your pantry. So you definitely have plenty of space inside of there. I love that you have this area right here. You could put, like I said, the Keurig and things like that. I know we see that on some of the model houses that we showcase, but even over there, you have your wine area, even just having all the extra decor just to kind of bring out the home. I mean, it's fantastic. And this is your beautiful, great room. So you do have the living room and the dining combo right here. You have all those windows right there that adds plenty of natural light inside of here. You have your upgraded fireplace over here as well with the stone. It's a wood burning fireplace. And if you notice, wow, absolutely beautiful. And let's go ahead and head this way so that way you can see what's going on before we go in to the bedroom. You have a nice size closet. And look at your beautiful primary. Wow, plenty of space over here. Look, they added a full sofa over there. You have all the windows surrounding it for all that natural light coming in. And you have this nice wood accent wall right there as well, with the high ceilings inside of here. Just for reference, so you have your king size bed right there with the 2 oversized nightstands, and you still have plenty of space. Look, we'll sit down. Just imagine if you sat down right here in the morning. Wow, this is perfect for a Saturday morning right here. If you can imagine smelling the bacon coming from the kitchen, bacon and eggs. Wow. All right, now we are going into the primary bathroom. You have your vanity area right over here. Again, you have that stainless steel mirror framing right there as well. You got your his and her sink. The quartz countertops extends in here, which is fantastic. And if you notice this sleek look, it just screams modernness. Even going into your rectangular soaking tub right here. And look how beautiful this shower is right here. Wow, perfect. And I love the oversized window right here. A lot of times the heat or the steam rather, it'll cover you up so that way you can still have your own privacy. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the closet. So it extends around here. Wow, look how much space is in here. You have, again, the high ceilings that continues in here. You have plenty of room for your wardrobe. Wow. So you have carpet inside of the closet right here, but let's go ahead and we'll head back out and go to that next bedroom. But I'll pan one more time right here. Fantastic. And then even just coming out, can you imagine all your family here? They probably would never leave, which may or may not be a good thing for you. All right. So this will be a 4th bedroom right here. So you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. I love the furniture. They've done a fantastic job. If you recall some of the other ones that we showcase, you have the, teal blue, you might have royal blue, but in here, I love the simpleness. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here and purchase a home. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, you could reach out to the contact information below. We'll get you taken care of. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. We're growing each and every single day, and I'm extremely grateful. And you'll know exactly when I drop a new video every single week. Okay. And then so right here, you have a nice storage closet again. And then this will be the shared bathroom. So you have dual sinks inside of here. You have the stainless steel lighting fixture on top again. And then you have your shower tub combo right here with the stainless steel shower head right there as well. Again, so you definitely have plenty of space. You have granite countertops inside of here. I love to hear your feedback if you like granite in the bathrooms or quartz. Me personally, I would say quartz, but to each his own. Well, now let's go ahead and take a look at the extended covered backyard patio. Wow. Plenty of space back here. Even the lot size, I mean, you have a ton of space out here. Look at this. Wow. Fantastic. This is gorgeous. And this will be your backyard right here. I can't think of anything else that this home would need. I mean, it's not missing anything in my opinion. And then you even have this large side area right here. Look how much yard you got. Part of it has to do with it being on the cul-de-sac right there. And that's another plus. If you were to buy this home when the model becomes for sale, then you get that cul-de-sac area. But of course, if you do want to build from scratch, something like this or something very similar, reach out and we'll get you taken care of. And that, folks, is Highland Homes. All right, Reggae family, so that was Highland Homes. I hope you absolutely loved it. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Did it meet your expectations? Did it exceed it? Or did it fall short of it? And of course, if you do want more information about this particular plan or any plan that I showcase on this channel, reach out to the contact information below. I'll get you taken care of, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.